Welcome to the WVRC Racine Kenosha brand new hospital. This is the waiting area, where we have a separate zone for our cat owners on one side. This allows them their own space as we take steps in earning our fear-free certification. You'll see on the other side is where we have our dog waiting area. Heading down the hallway, we have 5 exam rooms, a bereavement room, and consultation room. In our exam rooms, we have a fold-down table that gives us more space to work with animals that need to be on the floor. Our bereavement room will have comfy seating to provide a more homey feel for families. It has a separate exit to a private patio, which allows our clients to exit privately without going back through the waiting area after a difficult experience. Here we have our new Oncology Suite. We will have oncology coming to Racine, Kenosha in fall of 2021. This is a very nice state-of-the-art USP 800 compliant chemotherapy zone. This 3-room suite includes a room for PPE, chemotherapy hood room, and then the administration room, where chemotherapy drugs are safely passed through. Our administration room will have a lift table to help with larger patients, and everything is stainless steel to be compliant with hazardous drugs in the workplace. We are now in the back exam room hallway, in what will become the laboratory space. We have several bubbles, as we call them, which are quiet workstations for our teams. Our laboratory will be located here, so we can do all of our in-house stat laboratory work. Along this hallway, we do have 3 additional exam rooms, a larger room to help accommodate some of our orthopedic patients with more space to do exams. Then our other 2 rooms will be our feline-friendly rooms that we will keep for cats only. Behind the exam rooms is our pharmacy. The new treatment and ICU area is where a lot of the action happens. We have a triage zone set up for our emergency patients. The ICU is where our sickest patients will be. This separate space allows patients to be in a quiet zone, equipped with our new Snyder oxygen cage. Our Cubics tower is our inventory and supply tower. Our recovery ward is for our anesthetic patients to recover from any surgical procedure. The new radiology suite lives right off the treatment area so that we can get patients in and out easily. This is also adjacent to our surgery and procedure zone, which is a 4-room zone where we will have 2 rooms set up as operating rooms, both a soft tissue surgical suite and an orthopedic surgical suite. Opposite of our surgery suites, we have a couple rooms set up for procedures. This area has 2 induction spaces outside of each operating room. We will have all of our surgical equipment in this area. This room is our ultrasound room, where our cardiologists will often be. Our state-of-the-art 64-slice CT machine is an exciting new feature. Outside of the procedure zone, we go back to our patient ward areas as well as an isolation room. Patients with an infectious disease will be housed here. On the way to isolation, we have our new employee locker room. We also have separate cat and dog wards. Those are the big features of the new WVRC Racine Kenosha location, and we cannot wait for you to see it in person. Stay up to date on our hospital progress and other updates on Facebook. You can find us at wvrc.vets on Facebook and on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube as Ethos Veterinary Health.